All right, good morning, everybody. It's an interesting day out there for me today because I didn't find any of my normal trades, but I did find one that I was going to do the rare YOLO play in ENVB. We're going to break that trade down in this video. Let's go, let's trade. Okay, so went all morning without finding anything I liked. I was watching ENVB though. This one is the one that had all the power on the day. And I was kind of watching it for a while, trying to find a spot that I think might be a good potential spot to get into a YOLO long here. And I decided that after it showed that big pop up of the VWAP earlier, that I could do a short little long here at 592, put my stop in down at the VWAP and have a very low risk on this one and just see if it worked out. It's not really my general type of play. You guys know this, but I thought it had a good chance of working out. So I held on to it for a while. You can see my stop's still down there at 572, so risking $20 max on this one. But I put an order out for 50 of the shares up at 630 in case it got a quick little spike up there and I wasn't fast enough or I wasn't watching it because it was boring me to death for 10 minutes or so. So here it comes. Can it get up to 630, 625, 629, 629, 629, 627? It's not quite hitting that 630 mark, which is super annoying because I was within 1 cent of my first take profit target there with the first half of my position. So that's always frustrating when that happens. So now I'm going to watch it, and if it looks like that 630 might be the reject point before a turn back to the downside, I may just go ahead and take half off a little bit before that 630 mark. And so I'm watching it here, and it's failing to get back up towards that 630 mark. So I'm considering it in my brain. I'm like, what do I want to do? And I go ahead and decide to take half off right there around 625-ish. So half off there, down to 50 shares left, and going to put a stop in basically where I had it before with these 50 shares and see if they can make a move up a little bit higher. It does start pushing a little bit higher, but it's not really strong move through that previous resistance. So I decided to go ahead and take another 25 shares off. And this time I decided that I was just going to do that and then just put a stop in the money with the remaining 25 shares. And if it wanted to do the blast off, at least I would get a little piece of it. But if not, I'll just get stopped out for a small win on the remaining 25 shares there as well. So, here it comes. Here comes 650. Is it going to do the blast off? We're getting a lot of volume in here. Love the volume watching it. There's through 650. Still tons of volume in. No sign that I should be getting out of it yet. Waiting here. 675. 675. It's not getting through. So I decided to go ahead and be happy with it and take the whole thing right there up at 675 with my remaining 25 shares. And boom, there's a big YOLO long. Really happy with that one overall for a number of reasons. One, it's not my normal type of play. Two, it worked out, obviously. And then three, what we're about to watch it do is do the fake breakout, suck all the newbie buyers in, and then just dump on their faces right after that. So there's the fake break, new highs, and then there's the absolute dump back to the downside. So I'll be happy to take my $44.75 here in ENVB. And that's going to do it for me today. Kind of a slow day, especially how the week started, but at least I got one trade in and I can move on towards the rest of the week. Hopefully you guys enjoyed a little bit of a different type of trade today. If you did, make sure you hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.